Toys channel. Subscribe for our funny stories. Have you seen Peppa and the cat? Peekaboo, here I am. Peekaboo, here I am.
Oh gosh, it's very loud. I'm trying to watch my basketball game and you're making so much noise. Why don't you go play outside?
Daddy Big, it's raining outside. They have to play inside the house.
Okay, let's do a game. We're gonna play hide and seek. Alrighty? I take part in it. Who's going to count?
I can count. I know the numbers from 1 to 10, okay? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna open my eyes. Let's see. Behind the TV. Uh-oh. Nobody. Behind the couch. Nobody. Maybe in the bedroom. Uh-oh. No one here. Maybe in the bathroom. No one in the bathtub. Maybe in the kitchen. Uh-oh. No one here either. Let's check in the fridge something to eat. What a nice juicy watermelon. Let me cut a slice of it. What? Who's hiding inside? Oh, Mama Pig, did you hide in the watermelon in the fridge? Well, let me see who else is out there. What a nice banana. Yum, yum. What again? Oh, Peppa, you hid in the banana? For real? What a magic! Well, let's get the next fruit. Orange. Big orange. But of course, Georgie Pig. Hi, Georgie. Are you here with the family crew? I wonder who's hiding in the pear. Green pear. Piano! Oh, I love piano. Am I good at this game? Now let's check the next fruit. Carrot. Orange carrot. Just like me, Candy Cat is orange. Ooh la la. That is fancy schmancy Shopkins shoe. How do I look? Terrific, right? Modern fancy schmancy me. Tomato. Red tomato. But of course, Daddy Pig. Hello, Daddy Pig.
It's a fun game hiding in the Play-Doh fruit.
Yeah, and we get to learn the colors and names of fruits and veggies. And what's that? Purple aubergine. Aubergine. Ooh la la, tiara. A princess tiara. Look at me. I am Candy Cat Princess with a beautiful Shopkins tiara. What do you think, guys? Now let's check the grapes. Purple grapes. What? A brush? Yeah, I guess I need to brush all that Play-Doh and clean it up. 'Cause I made a mess.
It's a bit of a mess, but it's a fun game.
We all loved it. Terrific. Candy Cat, do you want to learn how to make fruits out of Play-Doh? Here, I'll show you now. Game Toys channel. Subscribe for our funny stories. our funny stories.